So I keep getting tagged once again on Palapala. Um, let's look at Palapala once again. Let's revisit Palapala. Um, let's try and make it make sense. Let's try and make it make sense. 4 point odd million rand was stuffed in furniture. It goes off. Now, we never ever asked ourselves. We never ever asked ourselves which criminals break into a house and instead of going to the safe, go straight to the sofas. I'll repeat that. Which criminals you know break into a house and instead of them looking for the safe, they go straight to opening sofas, instinctively knowing where the money is. Let's also remember, Palapala is a place of business. There's managers, there's employees, there's workers. Ramaphosa couldn't have been in Palapala because if you get presidency in South Africa, in most countries of the world, you cannot still be engaged in business. He was no longer actively managing Palapala. This was an inside job. Somebody knew exactly where the money should be. The payments were made, and somebody knew exactly if in my business, because think about it, right? If I'm running a company and my employees do something, am I liable for that? Because that means CEOs of MTN, Vodacom, Cell C, Standard Bank, all of them must be arrested. Let's start with arresting all of these CEOs then where fraud has occurred in their places of business. Let's do that. First, Masinyan. Let's rush, because for me, I don't know why we don't see it as South Africans. Palapala is a place where business is conducted. It's not his residence. He couldn't have been engaged in that because he was no longer he was president. He was no longer dealing with business related. And another thing that still the media is not going to share with you is the fact that the manager of Palapala went to work for the niece of the very same person who investigated him at the phrase. We don't find that suspicious, do we? That men knew exactly, they entered and broke into another person's house and knew exactly where to find the money. And you're telling me that was not an inside job? Like, you really are telling me that was not an inside job? For me, Palapala should tell you that this is the only thing that they can get on the man. The reason why they keep going back to what happened in 2019, if I'm not mistaken. The reason why they keep is because the man's career is squeaky clean. They're trying to find something. Trust me, they are desperately trying to find something to destabilize him. They know very well that the elections are coming up. For me, this should be confirmation that the guy has his shit, his ducks in a row. He has his shit together. Because they would have found something by now. They desperately trying to find something, but they can't. So they keep regurgitating the very same thing because they can't find anything about him.